So I did a mini twist on my short natural hair, and I started off by parting it in three. That's actually the best way to kick up plaiting. So I made little bits and then I applied my hair gel so it would be much easier for me to twist it. And then I twisted all the way down and had to make sure that the tip was really locked in so it won't lose eventually. And then after doing that part, I went to the other side and trying mini twist on your hair, especially in short hair, can be really fun. It is quite stressful, but eventually it's actually really nice, and it's like the best protective hair. And then this is like the best way to get the perfect size using that comb method. And here's the final look. You can style it as you like. Thanks for watching.